I'm here with Dr. Michael Cable, Executive Director at the Berkeley Sensors and Actuator Center in California. Hi, Michael.
Hi.
What have you got to show us today from your exhibit?
We have a lot of the new technologies that have come out of the Berkeley Sensors and Actuator Center research. One of the things that our students are showing here today is we've got a power generation system. But go ahead and demonstrate it.
If you press it, it can convert the mechanical energy into electricity.
And that's just one of the many things that came out of the center. Yesterday we had a LiDAR demo here that isn't here today, but it was very popular. It was a chip-based LiDAR system, which is very competitive with the big things you see on top of the Google cars running around the area. And the many things that we've got here are all parts of are all results of the center research. We have a model where basically industry members help support us in things that we're doing that are of commercial interest. So most of these are older projects that some of them are very innovative, but I don't...
Can we grab this one?
Yeah, if you'd like to grab that one, that's fine. This is a relatively old project, but it's one where one of our researchers was looking at neural interfaces, and it actually interfaced some of the microelectronic chips to a beetle, and we're able to manipulate some of the beetle's functions based on that. It's a prototype for the types of things that could potentially help people with neurological diseases or be used for neurological monitoring.
It'd be awesome if you could remote control the beetle.
Well, yes, although that starts to cross into scary science fiction, but yes, that has been brought up. And aside from that, I think most of these technologies are, this is a wearable sensor that has been integrated into like a headband or a wristband that can detect sweat, and you can measure different types of the ions in your sweat to do health monitoring, particularly for athletic activities. And so all of these things, the common theme, and this is also, here's another one that might be of interest to you. This is a single chip moat. The goal here is a lot of the technologies for Internet of Things and these trillion sensor networks are focusing in on trying to do very small, very inexpensive chips that can be used for sensors in a big, wide network. But the problem you run into is these sensors ultimately have to have power, they have to talk to each other, and if you have to hang a $1 radio on it that needs a big battery, the model kind of breaks down. So this is a project to incorporate the sensor, the power source, the radio, and everything into a tiny chip. And as you can see, it's not very big, and the group working on it thinks it's too big. They're shooting for one even smaller. But,
there's some fantastic innovations, Michael. So how is the ID Tech Expo helping you to do business, and how is it helping you to advance sensors?
What ID Tech helps us with is we're an industry university collaborative research center. So we work in partnership with industrial members that join the center to collaborate with us, and then we provide a mechanism, or they provide a mechanism for us to move the research from the university out into commercial applications. ID Tech Expo is a nice showcase for us to meet potential new members, show what we're doing, explain how we work, and then the ID Tech Expo gives us the contacts we need to make to recruit new members. And so the center maintains a nice member base. A lot of it's through the interactions we gain here.
Fantastic. Thanks for your time.
All right, my pleasure. Nice meeting you.